What if your financial struggles are tied to stories written long before you were even born? It can be any specific topic you are struggling with around finances where you observe repetitive patterns or it feels heavy or stuck. And no matter how much inner work we do, something still feels off. A deeper layer calling to be seen. Stick with me because later in this video I'll share the first step of this powerful tool you can start using today to reveal if your financial struggles might be tied to hidden family patterns and begin reclaiming your life. One of my clients, Nina, came to me desperate and feeling stuck. No matter how hard she worked, how much she earned, and what she tried, she was always broke. Then we discovered her great-grandmother died in poverty after losing everything. Nina wasn't just bad with money. She was trapped in a story written decades before she was even born. She was reliving a story that wasn't hers. Sound familiar? Stay until the end because you'll not only understand how this powerful method works, I also guide you through an exercise you can do right now together with me to start with the first step to free yourself from your burdening issues around finances. It can be any specific topic you are struggling with around finances where you observe repetitive patterns or it feels heavy or stuck. Maybe you've tried therapy, self-help books, or affirmations, but the same patterns keep showing up again and again. You overgive in relationships, you sabotage your goals, or you feel subconsciously guilty for wanting more than your family ever had. Here's the truth. Some of the challenges you face today may not be yours alone. What if your financial struggles are tied to stories written long before you were even born? Hi, I'm Helen. As a psychological counselor and coach, I guide people to untangle the hidden and unseen blocks behind their struggles so they can reclaim power over their lives, one layer at a time. Today's video is all about the life-changing power of family constellations, a method that helps you break free from invisible patterns and step into a life of peace, strength, and joy. Stick with me because later in this video I'll share the first step of this powerful tool you can start using today to reveal if your financial struggles might be tied to hidden family patterns and begin reclaiming your life. Maybe you've noticed repeating financial struggles. No matter how hard you try, you still feel stuck. It's often because you're carrying something that was never yours to begin with. But the problem is you're not aware of this. In every family, there are unspoken stories, griefs that were never mourned, secrets that stayed buried, traumas that were left unspoken. And science now shows we don't just inherit DNA, we also inherit emotional and energetic patterns across generations. Without realizing it, we step into roles like the caretaker, the outsider, the achiever, the black sheep. And no matter how much inner work we do, something still feels off. A deeper layer calling to be seen. Here's the good news. You don't have to keep carrying this. That's where family constellation comes in. Be with me a few more seconds. I'll show you how to start untying these knots on your own. Family constellation helps us to look beyond the surface of our lives and into the deeper, systemic family roots. It shows us the patterns we're entangled in, not to place blame, but to bring compassion and healing to what's been hidden for far too long. By seeing and releasing these aspects within our family system, we not only heal our own lives, but also stop these unresolved and blocking energies to be passed down further to the next generation. We break these family patterns once and for all. Family constellation is a therapeutic and often spiritual process that reveals the emotional blueprint of your family system. When you see and release these inherited burdens, you don't just heal yourself, You stop them from being passed on to the next generation. That's an important point. In a session, we don't talk about these issues. We see by physically mapping it for our eyes to see. For a detailed description of the family constellation process within a session, please watch one of my other videos on this, because in this video I will give you only a very high level view on the whole concept, as we will focus on the exercise to reveal if your financial struggles might be tied to your family system. What unfolds in a session is intuitive, emotional, and often profoundly healing. Movements happen, words are spoken, truths are felt deeply in the body. Sometimes it's like catharsis, and suddenly something shifts. What happens next is wild. Clients suddenly realize, this anger isn't mine, it's my dad's, or I've been living my mother's sadness. I've been carrying my grandmother's guilt. So you've been trying to fix a pain that didn't even begin with you. And when these hidden patterns are brought to light, you can return what isn't yours and reclaim your energy, your clarity, your life, your freedom. With each session, you heal another layer, layer by layer. It's deep energetic work. Most of my clients feel a first energetic shift right in the session with me. And over time, these energetic shifts start to unfold in their lives. When entanglements clear, people often describe it as lightness, clarity, or a sudden opening. The weight lifts. What once felt impossible starts to feel natural. You start to perceive people and situations differently than before. Your thoughts change, the way you feel changes. You don't have to force change anymore. It starts to unfold by itself, step by step, over time. Family constellation is not a quick fix, but it leads to deep realignments. They reconnect you to the life force that was always trying to flow through you. As promised, I will now guide you through an exercise which will help you to spot whether a specific reoccurring pattern has been inherited from your family system. In this case, as the title of the video says, it will be about financial issues. For this exercise, you don't need to know your family tree in detail to start. What you do need is curiosity and willingness to see with compassion. First, take a deep breath in and slowly close your eyes. Keep breathing slowly. And with each breath, with each exhale, release all the tension from your body. Keep breathing slowly and just relax. Now choose a specific topic you're struggling with around finances. A topic where you observe repetitive patterns, or it feels heavy or stuck. And the first thing that comes to your mind might be the right one, and you can choose this topic. Keep breathing. Connect with that topic. Then ask yourself, with eyes still closed, did someone in my family carry this first? Observe now with eyes still closed if someone shows up in front of you. Not too close, in a distance that feels just right for you. You don't have to see necessarily a face, nor do you have to know if it's male or female. Just focus on your topic and ask yourself again, did someone in my family carry this first? Keep breathing slowly and observe if you see someone. If someone shows up, look this person in the eyes, even if you do not see a clear face. It is someone from your family system. Keep looking in his or her eyes and connect with her or him. Even if you don't see the eyes, feel the connection. Maybe you know even by now who this person is, what he or she went through regarding your reoccurring topic. Keep connecting with this person and feel their pain. Feel it. Connect with them. Repeat after me. I see you. I feel your pain. I am connected to you. I am loyal to you. And how does this make you feel now? Do you feel any sensations in your body? What emotions come up? Do you have maybe goosebumps? Do you feel like crying even? Take the time you need. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes again. Now I would like to ask you to take a pen and a piece of paper and write down everything you have just experienced. Who showed up or who you think it might be in case you couldn't see a face? What pain did you feel? And how did it make you feel to connect with that person? Don't overthink here. Just write down what comes to your mind. You can pause the video here and afterwards continue. With this very brief exercise, you have probably felt for yourself how powerful family constellation is. And this exercise was just the beginning of seeing the truth. Once we see what has been hidden our whole life, we can release it and take the next step towards healing. And with healing, that's when life starts to shift. Clients report breakthroughs like quitting dead-end jobs, ending toxic relationship cycles, or finally feeling fulfilled and in harmony. In case nobody showed up in your visualization, it could mean that either your case is not related to a systemic problem or you are not yet used to that kind of work. In that case, you can rewatch this video and do the exercise in a couple of days again and see if anything changes. Now, coming back to my client Nina I mentioned in the beginning of this video, once she released that financial burden from her great-grandmother, she told me it's like I stopped fighting an invisible war with money. Now she's not just surviving paycheck to paycheck, she's breaking the cycle one small choice at a time and finally letting herself feel worthy of abundance. Your life is yours, but sometimes the first step to living it fully is letting go of what was never yours to carry. You're allowed to thrive. You're allowed to feel joy. You are allowed to take your place in life with all the strength and love that comes from your lineage without repeating its pain. If this resonated, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. With every video, we dive deeper into healing with self-awareness and personal transformation. And let me know in the comments what's one pattern you feel ready to break. I'd love to hear and hold space for your story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.